Oh, perfect tree or fern or something.
Fern.
Anyway, this is the ureter. What's left of it? There's just a little piece that because I cut it off of this one. This other one shows the same internal structure, just the other half of it. But here you can see the vein and the artery going into the kidney.
So it was cortex medulla, and the small fern-like thing was called the what?
The small fern-like thing is just the blood vessels on the surface.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's no real name for it. This area down here is called the renal pelvis. The urine is made in nephrons. In this kidney, there's probably, 3 million nephrons, all microscopic. They produce urine, and the urine all goes down tubes and ends up here, and then goes down the ureter to the bladder. So you have 2 ureters, one for each kidney, the bladder, and then it goes down to the urethra, and 1 urethra, and then out.
Will you use this, or are you going to use a model?
Both.
Because they're a bit different.
Yeah, both. It helps to see this, but sometimes the model doesn't necessarily look exactly the same. The model is the idealized.
Like,
Is that it?
What do you mean? Is that it? There's a lot more.
Pretty much it, right?
Yeah, that is. What I started to do on this one, get everything off of the spinal cord, so you can see the spinal cord, all the vertebrae. You can see the spinal nerves coming out between each one. Well, it didn't work. I spent about 2 hours picking off meat, still couldn't see any bone at all. So I gave up and flipped him over. That's why it's kind of torn up down here.
oh yeah.
Also, I was going to get into the brain. I'd like to get into the brain, but I have not been able to do that. The cat.
I can help you.
I hacked and sawed and pounded
Jada and I can help
the
you.
other side of him.
No.
And couldn't budge it.
Jada will hold it up.
Cats obviously have really hard heads.